Check, check. Your numbers, was it 304 or 204? I forgot, you know, getting old.
Yeah, 240, 240.
All right, 240. I was way off. I'm turning 58 today, so today's, I'm getting old, man. I'll tell you what, I gotta clean out the ears. 240, you're looking good. I'll go post this video on YouTube. You're sounding that good in Colorado Springs.
How about it? What's your video gate on YouTube? What's it go by?
808 Video Gates. 808 space Video Gates.
Okay, 808 Video Gates. Appreciate it. Been trying to get this audio dialed in and sounding podcast quality there. How's it sound over there to you?
Not too bad. A little bassy. But you'll hear the video gate, and hopefully you'll be able to make some corrections. I'm sure you can get that thing sounding super smooth. It's not bad, sound studio quality, but you need to do some adjustments on the EQ.
Well, I just made a little adjustment there, and I brought down some of the bottom end, took some bass out of it there.
Yeah, no, it's not too tinny. I'm glad you said that. Someone was keen with you, but I still heard you because it's a little bit more not so bassy and getting on that bottom end, but I'm liking the way you're going. You'll hear it on the video gate, sounding better.
I kind of flattened it out there. I may need to put a little more treble back in it to get through the DX. Not bad.
Yeah, you said you flatten it out. You need to put more treble for the DX. That might be correct. But you'll hear it on the video gate. You're looking good. You're going in the right direction, 10-4.
Probably need a little bit more around the 1K. No, I don't like that. That sounds teeny. We'll try it right there. And bring up a little bit more of the 2K. Let's see what that sounds like.
It doesn't sound too bad. There's some skip coming in too, so it makes it hard to give you an accurate report on all the things you're doing to change it. But I can hear you, I can understand you, and go listen to the gate. It might help you adjust something better that I'm not being able to describe how to change it. 10-4.
Yeah, 808. Well, I'll definitely go check it out, and I'm glad you're running a gate over there. Kind of go check it out. Hey, 808, I'll let you get to your DX there, and I definitely go check it out. Have a good day. I'll let you go back quiet.
All right, 240. I appreciate the contact. You're looking real good. I hope to hear you some more. I'll go post this right now, so it should download in about 5 minutes. 240 New Mexico, 808 in the Rockies. I'm 10-7.
We see